This is the all new DJI Pocket 2 creator combo. I have purchased I have purchased I have purchased in I have purchased it in I have purchased it I have purchased it in I have purchased in rupees 40,000. Hello, this is all new DJI Pocket 2 creator combo. I have purchased this creator combo in rupees around 40,000. Let's unbox this. Yeah, it's packing looks so beautiful. Where is the place that I can punch the hole? Okay, here I got. I'm just unboxing this, and it is manufactured in Shenzhen, China, and the packing looks quite beautiful. Like in this, there is the main camera unit. I think this is the dual tall handle, and I think this one speaker wide angle, and this is the tripod. Where I can open, let's open it. Yes, okay. That's the main unit. You can see. No, like this is the okay. This one is the carrying case. Like it's feel like a little bit heavier. Okay. What inside this? Okay, inside this main camera unit is there. Brutal handle, and I think this one is this is the charging case strap. This one is, I think, this one is the main. This one is the main handle, like by which it's look quite fantastic. What's written there? I think something is written in Chinese. And let's, what is the upper button of it?